Hey, I'm getting people asking me all the time over and over and over, David, what is happening in the market? So let's take a quick look. So this is some software that I have that has people's home values, their equity, what they owe balance on their loan, and their interest rate. So look at this interest rate, 1.25% on a $1 million home with 81% equity. So they're only 20% or 19% from paying off the home. Another one, 938, 58% equity, 2.15%. 2.15% versus 7.97 today. Who's going to make that move? Another one, 902, 67% in equity at a 2.18. Here's $1,000,002 at a 2.24. And we can just scroll down the list here, and all these people are handcuffed. It's called handcuffed to their mortgage. So until rates come down, I don't think we're going to see much more inventory. Although over here at Awesome San Diego Real Estate, we have some techniques, and we'll call them tricks, to help you get your buyer offer accepted. So if you're looking at making a move into or out of San Diego, all of my information is in the description. You can call, email, chat, or my favorite, even do a Zoom meeting face-to-face. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.